Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is manifestation of light. I think you're creating a new idea. You have a new intuition, a new inclination, something that you're moving towards. I'm just giving you the credit and the pat on the back and then the boost of confidence to continue to move and act on this thought. Bring it to 3D. Bring it to reality. If you see it, it can happen. I just need you to believe in it. And then make sure this manifestation of light blooms as bright as the sun. This is your moment to not only just change your life, your lifestyle, but free yourself from the chains and bondages that you may have had in your mind. I see the beauty in me and I grow and develop my inner self in harmony, light, and with beauty. I free myself from negativity. My heart transformed to something beautiful. Therefore, like the rules of the universe, we are the magnets of the universe. If you attract love, blessings, manifestations, breakthroughs are coming your way. My intellect shines because you're a genius, and my inner light grows, and I'm here to shine so the whole world can see, follow, and actually they can actually imitate or reflect the same light so they can get the same type of blessings. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.